It's John. I'm trying to get back into, this is the only route that is supposedly available to get back into my house. They've got everything blocked off. There's vehicles, they're not letting anybody through. I've seen reports that my house is completely ruined. I'm on Cornell Drive. This is Agora Hills right here. So this is Agora, Cornell. And just trying to get back in. There's activity all around. All the streets are off, and I don't know. I just want to see what's. I know my house is completely destroyed, but I just want to see what's going on. See if I can do anything to help. They say that power lines are down, so that the roads are impassable, and we can't. Basically, that nobody can drive over the roads. But I've been looking on Nextdoor, and I've been looking on Twitter, and on both Nextdoor and Twitter, people have gotten through. In order to get through, I found out I basically need to either have a motorcycle, a dirt bike, and you can just bust the lines, or I need to have a press pass. A lot of people's homes have been lost in this fire. I know Guillermo del Toro, Guillermo del Toro, I think Gerard Butler, and a bunch of other celebrities. This has hit a lot of people very hard, and it just kind of sucks that we're not able to get in and very least see what's going on. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I need to be able to get in, assess even just my property. I don't know if my property is completely washed away or what's going on, so if we'll be able to rebuild. So we're hopeful, and we're gonna come through this. I'm really worried about my insurance. You know, we had insurance, but the thing is that insurance always makes it hard for you to get that money. So not looking forward to working against the insurance to make sure that we get the money that we are owed. We're using Allstate, and not looking forward to working against the insurance to make sure we get the money that we are owed to rebuild our house. As you guys, I'm sure, are aware, home construction prices are at record highs in California. So it's not going to be cheap to rebuild a house in Malibu in a fire-torn area, but yeah, we're just hoping we can do what we can. Trying to think what else I can show you around here. The police officer is explaining things to some of the residents. There's a bunch of residents that are parked around here, and you can see there's a group of people back there talking. Everybody's trying to get in or get some information on what's going on. It's kind of crazy out here. We've been out of our home since Friday. I'm doing a vlog. Are you live Malibu Lake?
No, in the Medea Valley.
Yeah, so sucks. My favorite Mexican restaurant seems to have been spared, Mexico. So I might go there and get a margarita. Not sure, but we'll see. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I guess it looks like some people here are bringing hay for horses. One of the biggest things in demand right now is hay, because there's a lot of horses that are in our area, right up that valley, up Malibu Lake, that need food. They're out of food, and animals are starving. There's still hot spots, and yeah, so we'll see what happens.